Hello guys, once again it's your boy Jackson here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to install any custom music packs to Mario Kart Wii CTGP. Because you might hear different music than the regular ones on my videos, so I'm gonna show you how to install custom music. So first of all, you want to go to the first link in the description, this one here, just v2.update, and then you want to click download. I've already got a version of it, but click download. It's about 500 megabytes, pretty large download. So then what you do is you want to go get your SD card from your Wii U, and then you want to put it into your laptop or PC. I just got my SD card in, and I'm just gonna open it up, and as you can see on your SD card, once it's downloaded, what you want to do is once the music pack is updated, you want to go click on it, unzip it, V2 folder, and then you got all of these. You want to copy. You want to copy every single file. First, you want to wait before you do that. First, you want to open up CTGPR and then the My Stuff folder. It will say empty, but what you want to do is open up V2 folder, drag all of these over to the My Stuff folder, and just wait for it to download. It'll take about a couple minutes. And once that's done, you ready for it? That's basically all you needed to do. You just get you what's the word? Extract your SD card out of it, out of your laptop or PC, put it into your Wii or Wii U, and then when you play a track, you're gonna find different music. It was that easy just to install custom music to your Wii U. Now, since I have a Chromebook, I don't have Audacity since I don't have Windows. So I could have done a different tutorial on this video on how to add your own custom music, but I already have Audacity. But BMX Boy, he has a video on that. I'll put a link to his channel in the description as well. But that's how you install custom music. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in a couple minutes because I'll be doing some online races. Peace. Alright, how do we end this? There we go.